In today's video, I'm going to teach you to download Fidelity statement. We'll walk through the process on the Fidelity website so you can quickly access exactly the statement you need, whether you're organizing your records, preparing for taxes, or just keeping an eye on your accounts. Start by signing into your Fidelity account on the website using a desktop or mobile browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the portfolio summary page. This is the main dashboard for your accounts. At the top of this page, look for the Documents option in the navigation. It's typically in the main menu bar, and it's your hub for all official records tied to your accounts. Clicking Documents brings you to a page where you can control what you see by choosing a time period. This filter is helpful because statements can go back many months or even years. Pick the range that matches what you need. For example, monthly statements are great for routine tracking, while yearly statements can help with annual reviews and financial planning. Selecting the right time frame keeps the list focused and easier to scan. After you set the period, you'll see a list of available statements. Take a moment to browse through the titles and dates so you're opening the exact document you want. Statement names usually include the account type and the statement date, which makes it simple to match them with your records. When you found the right one, you have two easy options. To download the file directly, click the download icon next to the statement. This is the quickest way to save a copy to your device. If you'd prefer to look it over first, click the document name to open it in your browser. This will display the statement, typically as a PDF, so you can review the details on screen before deciding what to do next. Either way, the content is the same. It's just a matter of whether you want to preview it or grab the file immediately. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your Fidelity statement by logging in, navigating to documents from your portfolio summary page, choosing the time period that fits your needs, browsing the list, and either selecting the download icon or opening the document to view it in your browser. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need statements in the future, and you'll be able to find them quickly and confidently every time.